dreams come true, and I wonder.
First and foremost, I just want to apologize for taking this long break. Sometimes I do this. I think I've done this before, but I don't think I've ever took a break for this long. And I just want to apologize to you guys. I just been in another headspace. I've been mentally not there. Not in like a life-threatening way or anything like that, but like not there to record videos and stuff like that, because as you all may know, sometimes, well, all the time around school time, I always like take a break and like, you know, distance myself from YouTube and like, you know, school, just so that I can gather my thoughts and like stay focused and get to this bag and snatch this freaking degree. So, but anyway, I'm almost there, y'all. Next year I'm gonna be a senior. Like, this is my junior year. But this video is not gonna be just about me saying sorry, because I am sorry. I'm terribly sorry, you guys. I really am. But I feel like right now I just need a creative outlet, because school is really draining me and I need something that I love to do. Like, I need to be creative in my own little way. So I felt like this could be the perfect time to be creative. So today, me and my mom are gonna go to the store. We're going to the store because I felt like I needed to express myself in a different way. You know, you guys know that I like to redecorate and kind of like revamp certain areas in my house. So the last time I did this, it was in my makeup room. And I'm like, you know what? I should update my bedroom. So I'm going to redecorate my bedroom. My first step was getting a TV. I already got my TV. I mounted it on the wall. The second step was to get a new bed frame, and I got a new bed frame. I'm not gonna get a whole new bed because my bed is perfectly fine and I love my bed. My bed's so comfortable. I just got a bed frame, a more modern, up-to-date bed frame that I feel like is modern and up-to-date, but a little retro too. So I can't wait for that to come. I'm super excited. And so today we're just going to go shopping for some decor. My theme for this, well, for my room is Asian. Okay guys, I am home. As you could tell, I didn't record me shopping, but I just wanted to come in here and show you guys the before of my room. So this is my TV. Over here is my dresser. I have my game right here. I have all my perfumes and stuff that I wear all the time, and then I have a candle right there and some lights on, and my towels hanging up over there. This is my closet, and over here is all the new stuff that I brought. I won't be showing you guys it right now. I'll just show you guys like the finishing product. And over here is my jewelry, and then like my savings and stuff like that. Yeah, just a little, you know. So when everything comes, I will show you guys. I got a bed from Wayfair, I got a chair from Wayfair, got a mirror from Wayfair. Majority of all my new stuff is coming from Wayfair. I got my new light from Amazon. I got my pillows and decorative pillows. I got that from this site called Society 6. And I got comforter sets. I got 2 comforter sets from Macy's because they were on sale, and then I got one from Target. The 2 comforter sets from Macy's are red and white, and then the comforter set from Target is like this mustard yellow. I love that color, and I feel like that would tie into my room, because my theme is red, white, black, and gold, and then I feel like the mustard color will give it a nice little, you know. I went to Home Goods and I got all the decorations. I went to Nicole factory as well, and I got throw blankets from Home Goods. I got a red one and I got a mustard color one. I'm getting a sign created to go above my bed. Y'all just wait until you see, because I have a vision for my room. I feel like I started to outgrow the room that I'm in, just because I'm getting older, and a lot of the stuff that I have in here I got when I was like 10. I'm about to be 21, so yeah, it's time for a new upgrade. I want to get a sign to go above my bed that says my name, but in Chinese. I'm gonna get that made real soon, so just stay tuned for that. So I have my lights set up. You know, you probably can't really see it. There you go. It looks like that. It's a little circle top, but it's just gold. This is the little setup over here I have so far. Real cute, real cute. Okay, so now the bed came. As you can see, there's no bed on the floor. We're about to put it together. These are the big boxes that my bed came in. So what we're gonna do now is cut the box open and get the bed out so we can take it upstairs. Ah, it's so pretty! This is what my bed frame looked like, the headboard rather. It's so pretty, y'all. That's mirror in between. Yeah. So cute. Okay. This is what the inside is looking like. Very much giving me ribs. But now I'm gonna put the mattress on. Okay, y'all. This is what my bed looks like. And my pillows I got from this place called Society 6. They're custom made pillows. The theme of my room is Asian, like I was telling y'all. This says surely not everybody was kung fu fighting. I got this pillow from Etsy. It's a knotted pillow. This pillow says namaste in bed. This pillow back here is inspired by a street in Japan. And this pillow right here, it says, don't be like the rest of them, darling. Coco Chanel. And I just put her right there. And yeah, this is my bed, y'all. I love it. But stay tuned for the rest of the room because I have stuff coming. What's up, guys? Today is the big reveal, the moment you guys all been waiting for. I'm going to show you guys my room completely finished. Let's go. Okay guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I have an obsession with elephants. I got like 8 elephants in here. I love elephants, they're my favorite animal. But I'm so pleased and so grateful for how my room turned out. It took me about like a week, I want to say, to get everything that I wanted to get, aside from like the shipping and everything like that. But like the stuff that I was able to get in store, it took me like a week to get, because I just wanted to look around and make sure I weighed my options and went with the right pieces to put in my room. A lot of the stuff that I got came from Home Goods. Of course, if you guys don't know what Home Goods is, you should go check it out. You probably have one around wherever you live at. They have a lot of home decor and stuff like that. That's a perfect place to go if you want to remodel your home, or if you're moving into someplace new and you want to get something for cheap. They are the way to go. I went to Burlington Coat Factory too because I just remember going there when I was younger and seeing a lot of home decor stuff there as well. So I went there to go check out some things that they had, and I'll show you. I got these wallflowers behind me from there. The dragonflies I got from Home Goods. But I got this jewelry box with an A on it, and it's like mirror. It has all my jewelry in it. But I got that from Burlington Coat Factory as well. I got this Addicted to Success poster from Burlington Coat Factory. I think I got this and this as well from Burlington Coat Factory. If I didn't, I know for sure I got it from Home Goods. This mirror, I got this mirror from Wayfair. This vase right here is so pretty. It's gold and it's like textured. It's like broken glass textured. I got that from Home Goods. I got these flowers, like the cherry blossoms. I got that from Amazon. But these like crystal type flowers. I got those from Michael's. I got this chair from Wayfair. I got the bamboo sticks back there from Amazon. These my mom picked up for me. They're elephants. I believe she got these from Hobby Lobby. This table, like side table, accent table, whatever you want to call it, I got this from Home Goods. And then this is just a little fan I thought would go right with the Asian theme, so I just put it right there. It's just decoration. This little basket that holds my blankets, I got this from Home Goods. I got my blankets from Home Goods as well. I told you guys previously that I got these pillows from Society 6. It's like a website where different people are on there, and they're like, it's like Etsy for pillows and bed decor and stuff like that, and like posters and stuff. Like they have customized pillow cases that you can get. You can get it just the pillowcase, or you can get it with the pillow insert. I chose to get the pillow insert. So I got my comforter from Target, and I got my sheets like this. Like it gives me like cherry blossom like themed or whatever. So I got this from Burlington Coat Factory, and it came with a sheet set to go with it. And my bed frame, I told you guys I got that from Wayfair. This light back here, I got this from Fast Neon Signs. I'll put the link down below so you guys can check them out. But when they say fast, they mean fast, y'all. This sign came super duper fast, and I was so surprised and so shocked that they were able to do it in a different language. I don't know, not many people do that. So it's just my name, guys. It just says Amya Nicole, but it's in Chinese. I hope it says Amya Nicole. Don't at me, I don't know, but look. It lights up red. I'm gonna show y'all. You see? It's so cute. It'll be lighting up my whole room red. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. I love this. And then my curtains, they just stay the same. I had these for a long time now, but they are blackout curtains, and I love these curtains because when it's daytime and the sun is shining bright, I can't tell. My whole room be dark. These posters over here that say shine bright, sweet dream, dream big, follow your dreams, those are old. I had those for a long time. I don't know where my mom got them from. And this light is from Amazon, and I really like it. These elephants, this elephant right here, I believe is from Hobby Lobby, or if it's not Hobby Lobby, it's Home Goods. I got this vase back here. It's just a simple vase. It doesn't have anything in there. I got that from Home Goods. I got this little hourglass from Hobby Lobby. My mom got it for me to go in the room, as well as these coasters with the A on it. You saw one back there on my nightstand, but I have another one over here. This is a thermometer, and I thought this was so cool, y'all. This reminds me of, like, you know those little hot air balloons that they be letting up in the air or whatever. Anyway, that's just what it reminds me of. And these things tell the temperature, but I'm not quite sure how to tell the temperature, but I just thought it was really cute, and I thought it went with the theme, so I got it. Under here is just my drawing like sketchbook, because I like to draw, so I keep that over there. This is a sunglass case, and it holds all my sunglasses. My cousin got this for me. Thank you, Nana. But it just holds all my sunglasses, all my real glasses as well, like my prescription glasses. And then down here it has more storage, more space. This I got from Michael's. These are just like jewelry holders, so it holds all my Alex and Ani bracelets, because those are the only bracelets I own. This bracelet I got from my uncle a long time ago, so I just keep it right there. I don't wear it all the time, I only wear it for special occasions. This Juicy Couture little heart container holds all my earrings, and this right here holds all my necklaces. And y'all, I thought this was so cute. My mom bought this for me. She knows I love like the 1920s era. I don't know why, I just love it so much. It was just so fancy back then. But this, y'all, it's an actual perfume sprayer. Like, I squeeze this and the perfume come out. Look, hold on. Well, y'all can't tell, but y'all can obviously hear that it comes out. And then this is my big 65-inch TV. Take up the whole wall. But I wanted a bigger TV because the TV that I had, it wasn't nothing wrong with it, but it was just really small. So I got this big TV, and I love it, y'all. And then right here is just my PS4. And then look, some more elephants. some lip balm, you know, my little knick-knack paddywhack, give it all a bone. And yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be uploading videos more consistently now, so just stay tuned for that, y'all. And I love each and every one of you. I just want you to know I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, and stay tuned for my next video.